Welcome to another video, guys. Today we're going to be working on a 2013 Lexus LS460. Today we're going to be filling up the coolant after getting it drained and having the new radiator put in. I'm going to be using this coolant from SuperTech. You can get this at Walmart or AutoZone, wherever you would like to. This is pre-diluted 50 by 50 and it's for Toyota, Lexus, Scion, and this will work with your Lexus. So go ahead and remove your plastics, and then you want to remove your air intake piece that wraps around onto the two of the filters. Now on the coolant tank itself, it tells you how to change the coolant. So if you want to read this, you can go ahead and do so. It's pretty easy, and this video is going to show you how to actually do it. Alright, so after you've drained your fluid, you want to come over here to this hose right here, and there's going to be a bleeder screw right here. This is the bleeder screw right there, and you want to go ahead and loosen that, but don't take it off all the way. After that, you want to undo the cap on your tank, which is right here. Now I've already done it, so I don't want to put air in the whole system, so I'm not going to take off the cap, but I'll show you a video of how I did it. So you're going to put up to 5 liters of coolant, which is this whole bottle right here, which says 1 gallon 3.78 liters. So I used one whole bottle, and then half of the bottle, so the fluid was up to here. I put all of that inside this tank, and you want to be filling up that fluid until it reaches the filler neck. It's going to be dripping out from this hose right here, and it's going to go, the fluid is going to go down, and you're gonna have to add some more fluid until it stays at a steady level at the filler neck. It's gonna drip out from here, but once you take off your funnel, you can see how much fluid it is. So just try to get it as close as possible to the filler neck, but not to the point where it's gonna drip down from this hose right here. Once you get the fluid to a steady level at the filler neck, you want to get inside your vehicle and you want to start it up. At this point, you're going to want to have a timer set for 10 minutes. The car is going to be idling for 10 minutes straight, and you're going to have the coolant tank, the cap, you're going to have it off. After your 10 minutes is up, you want to see where the level is at on your tank. If it's not at the full line, continue to add some fluid to make sure it comes up to the full line. And then you want to take your funnel off, make sure that it stays at the full line, put the cap back on, and then you're going to get back in your vehicle, and we're going to be revving it up until about 1500 to 2000 RPM. So once you've retightened the cap, you get back in your car while it's running, and you're going to want to have the RPM go up to about 1500 or 2000, and you're going to stay at that level. You're going to have your foot on the gas and the throttle, and you want that needle to be in between 1500 and 2000 RPM for 5 minutes straight. After your 5 minutes is up with the 1500 to 2000 RPM, you want to shut the engine off and wait for the coolant to cool down. You want to check the level of the coolant in your tank. If it's on a good line at full, then you should be set and you can drive the car. You can test drive it, see if it leaks coolant from anywhere just in case. So go up and down the block, make sure that nothing is leaking, and then you can put everything back together and it should work normally. That's gonna be it for this video. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Instagram or here on YouTube.